Okay, let's check with each other how we can finalize our full paper based on the given template, assuming that you have already finalized your full paper and you want to match the given template. It would be highly recommended to check one more time regarding the given template layout and structure and the spaces between the figure template and captions, and also, let's say, the overall structure and layout. So what you need to do, first of all, you will select all your files and then you will type it here Times New Roman, which is our main template supposed to be there. So the Times New Roman must be applied for all, and then select them and make sure that all of the spaces are 0 single between them, and try to make double underline for all of them and remove all available underline which exists, and make sure that all your text are black. And after that, we know that the title is 16, and also before and after that must be 12 based on the given template, and this template title shouldn't be capital. Instead, you will come to this website and you will put let's say to make sure that the title is the case capital, and then copy your title to put in the exactly given place, and before and after that must be 16 12 based on the given template, and there shouldn't be any, let's say, academic title before the let's say names and affiliation, and apart from that course number is suggested to write it here as a full link, and after that after putting the full link you may make it black as it is given. Then let's keep the layout and structure as it is, so the text should be this part at 10, and then make sure that the abstract, all of them must be in one paragraph. So make sure that these are all in one paragraph, so copy and paste and put them all here as one paragraph. And before the keynote speaker, the keynote keywords, make sure that they are all divided with semicolons, not spherical or dots. Then make sure that there is no any space between the headings, and so you will keep it as it is. And these figures, so make sure that all of the figures are in line with text, all of them are at the middle. Figure 1 must be bold and starting with dot at the beginning and also dot at the end, and there shouldn't be any space, let's say before and after. Maybe after you can put 1, but before there shouldn't be any space, and we will continue like that. Check that you have, of course, manuscript page number. We will talk about the page number that should be at the middle. You should remove the space between them. It should be 8, and also the heading must be on the top. And we will continue. The figure should be small as much as possible at the middle, and also it should be bold, and the figure caption, and we will continue like that. And all the tables also, the tables should be let's say bold, starting with the exactly on the left side, and this should be let's say selected as available APS style if any exists. This one, the yellow one, it is acceptable, the one which shows in APS style, and we will continue. The figure should be small as much as possible, exactly at the middle, and should be bold like this. And we will continue with the table, and also make sure that those acknowledgement found in conflict of interest and data available statement institutional review board statement and credit author statement must come before the reference list here as it is given, and then you will put all the references using the software API style, and also organize them alphabetically based on the given paragraph. So let's look at the second article. So what you need to do, select them all and make sure them that are all single and also Times New Roman, and also make sure that there shouldn't be any dots or let's say extra columns before or after that. Make sure that you copy and paste the title here to make sure that the headings are capitalized, and then put it here. So before and after that it should be 12 and single. That's it. So it should be also left side. What we need to do, if okay, there shouldn't be space between them. So what we need to do, it should be single, single, and single, and then this one 16. Okay, I can keep it, and then there shouldn't be figure. It should be in line with text, and also you should provide figure caption for it, and it should be exactly at the middle. And if we continue, make sure that for example, I don't know what, these figures should be in line with text. There shouldn't be any figure inside the box. Please remove them. Please remove them and put separately at the middle down it as a normal figure. And these are figure 2 and figure to start with number 1, and that's figure must be written like that, and there shouldn't be any space before that. And make sure that add heading numbers for all of them. There shouldn't be any figures. These figures must be in line with text, and each figure must have figure, let's say, the caption, the name of the figure, and all of them must be exactly at the middle, and the figure caption must be bold and black, all of them. And before and after figure should be one space, and there shouldn't be any other space in none of the places, and just before and after you should have. Make sure to please move the figure caption under it without the box, and it should be black, bold, and there shouldn't be any other space between them. You can remove them. It should be exactly match to the figure, and this figure should be in line with text, and there shouldn't be any other space between them. Then we will continue. There shouldn't be any space between them. Make sure that they are a normal, let's say black and white. So select all of your text, make it black and white, and then make sure that the figure caption is bold, and that's it. So we will continue this one till the end. So if you have any tables, then make sure that those tables are just this one. Plain table 21 is acceptable, and API style on the table that we are accepting in the conference. So there shouldn't be any space between them, and this one should be on the left side, and that's it. And then you go with the other part. This font size, I don't know, this font size, please, this font size, whatever you have in the text must be 10 must be 10. All the texts are 10, so please make sure that the text is 10, and all the tables are in line with text, and the table should be small as possible, and this caption of the figure must be under it, whatever we have, and it should be exactly at the middle. they shouldn't